All we're going to need to make our beurre noisette is some unsalted butter. So take a frying pan, pop your pan on a low to medium heat and chuck in a nice generous amount of your butter. And when I make brown butter, I like to very slowly and gently melt the butter through to begin with. Once the butter is melted, it will slowly start to get foamy. You can turn up the heat a tiny touch, and as the foaming starts to subside, you'll see that the butter slowly starts to turn beautiful and golden brown. You'll see that there's loads of brown dots that start to appear in the butter. This is where the milk proteins are caramelizing. This is when you'll know your beurre noisette is pretty much finished. So very quickly guys, if you can just hit that subscribe button below and give the video a like for me if you're enjoying it. At this point, just spend a minute removing the foam from the top of the sauce with a spoon, just so that it's beautiful and clear. Once you've skimmed the foam off the top of the sauce, we want to pour that into a ramekin or a small bowl, and there we have a beautiful beurre noisette sauce, or brown butter. So give it a try guys, enjoy, and I'll see you next time.